Welcome to step-by-step solutions to your computer problem. In this video, you are going to learn about how to maintain speed of your computer system. Problem number 1. Slow speed of computer offline. To knowing the solution of this problem, let's begin by pressing Start button, search Control panel in the search box. Open Control panel, then open Programs. Click on Programs and Features. Uninstall all the unwanted programs from your system. After uninstalling all the unwanted programs from your system, restart your system. You will notice a change in the speed of your system. Or another way for getting faster speed of your system is press the Start button, then type Run in the search box. Open Run, then type %temp person and press OK. Select all the folders from here and delete these folders. After deleting these unwanted folders from your system, you will notice a change in the speed of your system. Thank you for watching our video. Enjoy! And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video.